Well, this morning I have my Viking Odense Twill Model 15. The briar on this is just gorgeous. And in it I have some velvet. So it's one of my codger blends, There's a few blends out there like Velvet, Half and Half, Granger, Prince Albert. Some of these tobacco blends have been around for over 100 years. So it's pretty cool to see some of these, tobaccos that, my grandfather, my great-grandfather were smoking. So definitely kind of a cool thing to be able to enjoy. Been a good morning so far. Went out, got groceries, got everything put away, did some cleaning around the house, getting laundry through. So just trying to be productive before we put some football on. So that's what's going on this Sunday. Cheers, friends.